So my walk got cut a bit short today, and I thought I would try to show the reason why. Someone warned me, but I wanted to come up and see it myself because, wow. When they said flash floods last night, they were not kidding. This is usually the trail. Look at that. And look at that. There's a dragonfly. He's obviously enjoying this new swamp. And there's some worms. They're having a fine time as well. They're a little unusual. I don't usually see them out here. Of course, they probably don't usually see me. I don't know if they can see me now. They look like some kind of, I don't know, worm. I was going to say earthworm, but I don't really know what I'm talking about necessarily. See the water rushing back there? Yeah. It is very, very damp today. Yes. Wow. Wow.